though, man. Like, heck, in my mom's bathroom, it's like flooded her room.
So what is cold too?
I don't understand why the water's cold. And the only flooded place in the world is downstairs.
Yeah, it's mostly flooded down here.
Alright. This is flooded. Where's the water coming from?
Wait, he said go, 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 go.
Hold on. Oh, oh, that squishy noise. What the hell is this, man?
Someone else said there might be something back here.
Don't go there. It's probably someone probably put a mouse trap back there. What?
Okay. I don't know what's going on.
What the hell?
Yeah, it's whatever there.
Should we really check in that room? See if something happened?
Sure.
I'll check in there.
There's a mouse in there.
Psst, dude, it's not gonna kill. You're not gonna kill a mouse with a plastic gun. All right.
3, 2, 1.
I can't open it. I can't open the door, Mom. So sorry. Dude, hold on. Maybe this is where the water's coming from.
I don't know. Just we open it.
Yeah. Water just come.
Hello?
But, dude,
Hi. Hi.
you got water on my head.
No, I didn't.
We gotta check some place out.
Boys,
Yeah?
can you go outside to the backyard and get me I don't care, a bucket. One of my garbage buckets.
Okay. Damon, you have to go get that quickly. I'm gonna go it. Move. Huh. Oh shoot, man. How did this happen? All the stuff is like flooded. I don't know, guys. We're gonna check this out after. But how did this happen? Really? Now I gotta sleep in a room with a wet. Yeah? I'll wait after. Give me a minute. I'll edit the video. Maybe we check this out, and maybe after I won't be sleeping in a wet bed. I hope you guys could probably call a plumber for me, and that's always stay awesome.